Today we are learning about Premiere Pro. This video goes to those colleagues who are new in video editing. They have the program Premiere Pro, but they don't know where to start from. They don't know anything about Premiere Pro. Now today what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how to create a new workspace for Premiere Pro. The first thing to do, how to set up the workspace for Premiere Pro. You go to Start, you go to Adobe Premiere Pro and open it. Now, as you see here, we have a lot of options here. Like for example, if you have the already project, the file for Premiere Pro, we call it project. So if we have the already file which we were working on before, you can just select here open project. But since we want to create a new project, you can say new project or start new. Okay, you click here, start new. Here it will give you an untitled. So what you can do, you can just rename this untitled and make it your own. Like for example, let us say test project. Okay, now here it is asking us for the location. Here by default it is going to save it in my documents, then Adobe, then Premiere Pro. You can change this one. You just click on browse, you go to any location you want. You go to any location you want. Okay, and just name it, create new folder, name it test project. Test project. Okay, you press enter again to open test project folder. We say select folder. Now our test project it is going project file, it is going to go under the location of test project. I hope you understand that. Here you can select capture format from DV to HDV. Okay, we say okay. We wait for it to create. the workspace. Now here you can select, you can create new bin, and we name it project files. Sometimes we need to be organized, otherwise if you're not organized you find it difficult to look for what you want in time. Okay, once we open our project bin, we double click in this empty space. Okay, now what we're going to do, we are going to select one of the videos we want to edit to start with. But for my case, I don't have any video, but I'm going to use the sample pictures which I already have in my system. I'm going to assume that it is one of the video, it is the same application that you use in case it is a video. Okay, let me just look for the location of my file, of my pictures. For example, let me select this one, open. It has opened. Now to create a sequence, you can just select this file, you right click on it, and we will say new sequence from the clip. Once we click that, it will create a sequence. That is where we are going to start from. Okay, as you can see, it has created this sequence. As you can see, our sequence is now created, so we can keep on adding more video clips as you want. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. Goodbye.